Hello guys, welcome to another series of our YouTube tutorials. So today we are going to be teaching you how you can secure your WordPress website. Okay, in case you missed our previous tutorial on how to install WordPress, please kindly check it up in our video playlist. So we'll be teaching you how to secure your WordPress website from hackers. Okay, it's very easy. And I think one of the prominent security you need to have in your website is changing your login URL, because generally I think WordPress have this WP admin login in the URL of every WordPress owners. So I'll teach you how you can change that and secure your WordPress website. So first thing you do, you come down here to plugins, click add plugins. Okay, come to this search plugin box and search for WP to WPS add login. Let's see, I hope I'm typing it correctly. Let's see. No, I'm not getting it right. Let me use hide WP login. Okay, it's WPS hide login. Alright, this is the plugin here. WPS hide login. It's very easy to install. Don't see, in 2 seconds you install it and then you proceed to activate it. So it's still installing. Let's allow it to install. Give it a few minutes to install. Okay, that's it, is installed. So what we do next is to activate this plugin. Okay, so as you can see, this plugin has been activated. So you come down to settings in order to set this plugin, and please do not forget something. You can see this immediately this plugin is installed. This is what you will get. So this becomes your new login, just your website /login. But you're not going to do that. What I'm doing here is I'll just add a short code here, which is just anything you like. You can just add here. For me, I'll be adding tutorials. Okay, then you come here and save. That's it. Let's go back and check. So this full URL becomes a login page, this and tutorials. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I'm going to be trying this with, let's open another browser and check. You can see this is my login URL and this is my login page. So that's it. Let's go back to the plugin. So you can see with this simple step, I'll be able to secure my WordPress website from hackers so that they won't have access to my website. They can keep trying the WP admin login that comes with the general WordPress software, but unknowingly to them, they have already changed the login URL. So that's how you can easily secure a WordPress website for free. Okay, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.